Hello everyone, welcome to Minnie's Boutique. So here we are again with our new collection. So we are starting with the first article. Article number 1017. See, yellow color kurta with the full embroidery on the front with the sequence work, zigzag print pant, and this is the dupatta with the lace. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is just rupees 14.99 free ship. This is the pant, this is the dupatta with the lace, and this is the full work on the shirt. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is just rupees 14.99 free ship. Article number 1017. Article number 1018 is a pure cotton kurti with a printed trouser and the mal dupatta, cotton dupatta. See the close pic. Article number 1018. Sizes available are 38, 44 and 46 and the price is just rupees 13.50 free ship. This is the printed trouser with a single side pocket and this is the dupatta. Price 1350. See the look. Please take the screenshot for the orders. Next article 1019. It's with the flared palazzo and dupatta. It's a rayon. See the embroidery. It's a zari work on the yoke with the tassels. This is the print on the whole kurta. It's the flared palazzo with the border and this is the dupatta. Article number 1019. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 16.99 free ship. See the look. Next article. Article number 1020. It's a batik print kurta, rust red color. This is the print on the yoke, sleeves with border. This is the printed pant and this is the cotton dupatta. Article number 1020. Sizes available are 38 to 46, 38, 40, 42, 44 and 46 and the price is just rupees 13.50 free ship. See the look. Next article 1021. It's a one-piece gown with full yoke work and beautiful tassels with dori. Sizes available are 38 to 46. This is the work on the yoke with sequence work. And the price is just rupees 12.50 free ship. It's the only one piece dress. Next article 1022. The same I am wearing. It's a two-piece dress with a kurti. Same print on the back. See, side slits with the dori. It's with pant. Black color plain pant आएगी इसमें. The work on this is the embossed print on the full shirt. Article number 1022. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is just rupees 13.99 free ship. Fabric rayon. See, it's the back. Same print on the back with the rayon pants. Next article 1023. It's a three-piece cotton set with the dupatta. See the embroidery. Sizes available are 38 to 44. This is the print on the kurta. Sleeves with gota work, gota laces. This is the printed pant with the single side pocket, and this is the dupatta with the gota laces. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is just rupees 13.99 free ship. See the look. You can book according to our article numbers. Next article number 1024. It's also pure cotton kurta with the beautiful print with band collars. This is the zigzag print pants and this is the dupatta. See the neckline with the thread work, and this is the print on the whole kurta. This is the zigzag print pants and this is the dupatta. See the look. Article number 1024. Sizes available are 38 to 44. 46 sizes available है इसमें, 46 size तक, 38 to 46 and the price is 1350 free ship. Next article (1025). Article number 1025. Pure cotton kurti with pants and dupatta. See the look. This is the pant and dupatta. Showing you the closer pic. See the work on the yoke. This is the print on the whole kurti with sequence work. This is the pant and the dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is just rupees 14.99 free ship. Next article number 1026. It's with the skirt and dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 16.99 free ship. See the look. This is the front. This is the neckline work. This print is the skirt with the full flared ghera and this is the floral print dupatta. See the close picture. Article number 1026. This is the work on the front. This is the skirt print and this is the dupatta with the lace. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 16.99 free ship. Slits पे भी वर्क है इसके. ये देखिए, ये स्लिट्स हैं इसकी. ये स्लिट्स पे भी वर्क आएगा. फुल फ्लेयर्ड स्कर्ट के साथ है. दिस इज द लुक. नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल number 1027. It's an anarkali suit with pant and dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is just rupees 1550 free ship. This is the plain trouser and this is the printed dupatta. See the close picture. This is the print on the shirt and the yoke print is different. This is the yoke print and this is an embroidery on the yoke. These all are available with the Minis Boutique tags and labels. All original pieces. This is the trouser and this is the pant. See the look. Article number is 1027. Size is 38 to 46 and the price is 1550 free ship. This was all for today. Please book according to your article numbers and take the screenshot. For WhatsApp, please message on 89501 87266 and 87430 89500.